Mount Talon is with 1903 meters above sea level via Pio Long Trail.
We are now heading to the first falls nga Ganamon, going to, or before the summit, ang Lobas Falls. Whoa. Whoa. Lobas. Yo! Bilhin kami dyan may gamit. Then we'll go to Lobas Falls. Yon, with the gang. Woo! Maliwat pa kami.
Maliwat pa?
Meow, 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 meow.
Perfect.
Lobas Falls and Mount Talon.
Alright, we have just arrived here sa kinatawag natin nga Twin Falls. Ang isa ka falls, ari. Yeah. And the other one is yo! Nami. Woo! Hello guys, we are now currently here sa may Sulphur Vent. No? Mga 2 hours pa before kami makapasummit, but this time we will be enjoying the view here. Kasi sa subukan makita ninyo, puro sa gitna laya ang mga puno. Ang ila. Ang ila nga tubig, hindi siya init. We are here at Sulphur Vent! Alright, we currently reached the summit of Mount Talinis, pero wala kami sang clearing. Wala to lang namon nga magka-clearing, then we could have the best shot later on. Wow!
Wala lang. Daon.
Ang kadamo diri sa amon sa may summit.
Gibantay ang clearing.
Nga nagabantay sa clearing. Kauna-una ni karon. Hey yo, currently at the summit of Mount Talinis together with the Kupal Boys of Morsha! Woo! Celebrating my birthday here at Mount Talines. Woo!
Happy birthday
To you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Hello everyone, we are now here at the summit of Mount Talines pero wala pa kami subong sang clearing. So hopefully later on, we'll be just waiting a little longer kasi magka-clearing pa kami. Woo! Okay.
Caught in the act, caught in the act,
Tapos din. Yung palagi.
caught in the act. Gina! Yeah!
Congratulations.
Woo!
Mandalaga next.
Te, maliwat pa?
Ara lang ka mo? Sige ah, hindi mo kami. Ganiha, kasi